After eating HelloFresh for 3 years now, I would have never thought of the impact HelloFresh would have on my marriage. Ladies, do you see that picture of that dried up, sorry piece of salmon? That used to be dinner for my husband and I 3-4 nights a week. I had to scroll through my Instagram to find a picture of my dinner back then. But that piece of salmon, it's easy, it's quick, it's healthy. But you know, how much salmon can you eat in 1 week? And it got to the point that one evening, standing in the kitchen, my husband said to me, "I am salmoned out." And I agreed with him. So I told him, "Okay, sweetie, we need to spice up our dinner time." Ladies, welcome to Lifestyle with Isabella. Here we learn to look the best while being our best selves. Boys, HelloFresh is here. It takes time and planning to have a healthy and diverse dinner every night. And the time it takes to drive to the grocery store and walk through all the aisles to find all the necessary ingredients. With HelloFresh, all that disappears. With HelloFresh, my dinner gets shipped to my front door. Thank you. Once you are signed up with HelloFresh, you receive between 4 and 6 dinners a week, depending on your preference. This week, I wanted to receive 4 dinners because we are going out quite a bit. So this is the box that it comes in. I love HelloFresh because everything gets shipped on ice. This is the box, and then these are the recipes that I have for the week. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4 recipes. Each recipe, it's so nice. It's well organized in its own brown bag, which is recyclable. So it takes so little effort. Hey Richie, let me open the fridge, handsome. So I just take each bag and put it in the fridge. Each bag is a recipe, and then the meat, let's see if I can, it's quite heavy. It's wrapped in ice, so it stays nice and fresh. See, it's packed in these baggies of ice. So I have 1 pack of meat and 2, and another 1, and then I also chose the vegetarian dish. It just has pasta, and it's all set, nicely organized. So easy. I love HelloFresh. When I get ready to cook dinner, I take my card with the recipe, my bag with the ingredients, and if the recipe has meat, also the pack of meat. And I open the bag, put all the ingredients here, whatever they are, and start cooking. It is very easy to sign up for HelloFresh. When I signed up, I went to their website, and after I was signed up, I just used the app I have on my phone to manage my weekly preferences. And that's very easy, and it's actually quite fun. So there's the app on my phone, HelloFresh. I open the app, and then I go to my menu, and each menu is organized by week. Let's, for instance, look at the week of Wednesday, August 26th. Those are standard recipes that HelloFresh picks for you, but I like to go through each recipe and pick the ones I like the most. For instance, let's look at this recipe with salmon. I always look to see how many calories it has. This one has 730 calories. Or how about this one, the pork tenderloin? That one has 600 calories. And if you want to add a meal, you just tap add extra meal. And if you want to remove a meal, let's go here, cherry balsamic pork chops, you tap that minus sign and it's removed. And then you go to save and it saved the choices. Then on this page, you have the option to add extras that you want for that week. If you don't want to add anything, you just tap skip. Now let's say the week of August the 26th, you are on vacation and you don't want to receive a delivery from HelloFresh. You go to edit delivery and you say skip this week. And then it's going to ask you why. You can put I'll be on vacation and then submit. Now let's say it happens that your vacation plans have canceled. You go to unskip and now you're going to receive a delivery that week. It's really that easy. My husband and I have been on HelloFresh for 3 years now, and I can say that HelloFresh has spiced up our dinner time. This is how a typical week of HelloFresh meals looks like. For tonight's dinner, I made a sea bass fish with couscous and roasted carrots, and I also made a chimichurri sauce to go right on top. Delicious. Chicken guacamole burrito bowls, teriyaki pork chops with rice and roasted carrots. I'm so domestic. For tonight's dinner, I made roasted peppers, and the peppers are stuffed with Mediterranean mushrooms and couscous, and then they are topped with hummus and feta cheese. So this is a vegetarian dish. Now, almost each time I cook a HelloFresh dinner, my husband asks me with excitement, "What's for dinner tonight?" Because HelloFresh rarely repeats the same recipes on a weekly basis. And even if it happens that HelloFresh repeats some of the recipes every now and then, they are so delicious. My husband and I are looking forward to having them again. Now it's been 3 years and my husband and I can truly say we have spiced up our dinner time. Thank you so much for watching, ladies. I have more videos right here on Lifestyle with Isabella. Pick another video to watch. Thank you. Bye.